Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is about what to do with that garlic harvest. So that garlic that you planted last year in the fall is ready to be harvested, and now you don't quite know what to do with all this garlic that you have. So if you're new here, my name is Sierra and I garden in Ohio Zone 5B. And if you'd rather read about this video post, I have a link to the blog in the description. If you rather go do that, or if you want to do both of those, fine by me. Let's go ahead and get started with this garlic harvest. So my first tip and the most common thing to do with your garlic harvest is to cure it and then store it. Garlic has a long shelf life based on variety. So curing and storing until needed is the most common way to preserve and use your garlic. Just be sure that your garlic is fully cured before storage, and you'll be able to utilize those bulbs, depending on variety, up until your next harvest. Tip number 2, make garlic powder or garlic salt or both, or make another type of seasoning, but include your garlic in it. If you have a dehydrator or just your oven, you can dry garlic cloves. You can grind them into a powder, store them in a mason jar, and use them as needed. I'll link my grinder below because I absolutely love it. It is amazing. I use it for everything. And if you don't have a dehydrator, I'll also link one that is very close to the one that I have. I got mine from Rural King, and I have not seen it on Amazon. Tip number 3, use it right away. You do not have to wait for your garlic to cure in order to put it to use. You can take that garlic right out of the ground and take it right into the kitchen. You can cook with it. You can, saute it, throw it in some stews. Do whatever you need to do with that garlic uncured. Tip number 4, freeze it. You can freeze peeled garlic cloves, cured or uncured. Put them in airtight Ziploc bags or some sort of food storage container, and they will store it in the freezer for about 6 months. The only thing is they will lose their crispness during the freezing process, but they are still good to use. Tip number 5, share it. If you feel like you have an overabundance of garlic this season and you know that your family's not going to be able to utilize it all, you can share it with friends, family, neighbors, co-workers. Everyone loves fresh garlic. And if you have not had the chance to grow your own garlic yet, it tastes 1,000 times better than what you would buy at a grocery store. It is amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Happy gardening!